Alright guys, so we're back with the jeans, and the first thing you want to do is just distress them, like get all your rips in there, cause like if you do it now it'll break down more when you put the bleach on there. So you can just make slits and stuff with the knife, and you can just pull out the fibers at the ends to help make that stringy effect that you see in the stores and stuff. So I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. So since the camera angle was off, I'm going to just tell you what I did. I used a serrated edge knife. I just made slits into the jeans, and I went back in with the pliers, and I just loosened up the fibers with it. And then I used a serrated edge knife and my thumb to help pull the fibers away from the jean to make that stringy effect look. On the bottom of the jean, I just used some pliers, and I pulled out different sections of the jean, went back in, and I used a serrated edge knife to rough it up more. And on the top part of the jean, little roughed up section, I just made little slits, and I went and used the serrated edge knife to just rough. So at this point, I've added all the distress I wanted. I added some rib, kind of a rip up there. I don't know if I showed y'all that. I added one rip here, one up on the knee, rip a little bit above the thigh, and then one on the leg. And then I don't know if y'all got to see this, but I added some kind of ribs, made it look damaged on the pants leg on the very bottom. And so yeah, now we're gonna, alright, it's not super windy outside, but now that we're all done distressing it, I'm gonna tie it up with some rubber bands and then soak it in the bleach. See, we got some warm water right here, and then we're gonna add our bleach, and then apparently if you add salt to it, it enhances it. So we got some rubber bands right here, and we're just gonna tie it up. So, because I don't want it to be completely one solid color, I want it to have some differences in the denim. And so since it's already pretty light, probably not gonna have to soak it for that long. But let me go ahead and show you how I'm gonna tie it up. So it was kind of floating and stuff. So I just got the plate and I set it on top, help it keep it submerged. And yeah, just let it sit for 2 hours, and then see what it looks like. And then yeah, you can go from there. All right, so this is what the jeans look like. I kind of think I added maybe a little bit too much bleach to the water, but it's fine because they still probably gonna look cool anyways. And it's your own. You're gonna go ahead and get all the rubber bands off. So this is what they look like. They are pretty much white now. They're not really a bleach jean. Pretty much white. A little bit of specks of color in there.